It's not super shiny. Like, you know how synthetic wigs have like a natural shine to it? Like, this has a shine, but it's like a natural shine. Like, it's really not that bad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got this Amazon package in the mail. I ordered this wig. It's like the Remy Forte wig. And today I'm going to be reviewing it and also trying it on. So this is the box it comes in. It comes like this. It's really long. And it's orange. I wanted to try a different color because I wanted to try a different color because I usually always get black. And so I wanted to try like an orange. I saw this on the website and I thought I might as well try it. It's synthetic. It's really cheap. It's not, well, it wasn't really cheap. It was like 40 bucks. So I think that's pretty good for a synthetic wig. It's super long. How many inches is it? I don't know how many inches is it, but it's really, really, really long. Okay, so starting off, there are 3 combs, a back comb, sides, and then there is an adjustable strap. So you could tighten it, make it looser, whatever. And then there is like basically a long line of parting space. And then the edges are already like it's pre-plugged. It's not like that well plugged. It's really not that good, but it is pre-plugged and it does have some baby hairs already. So, you know, little baby hairs. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on. So give me 1 second, you guys. You guys, this is so pretty on me. Oh my god, this is gonna make me want to dye my hair this color. I need to stop. Okay, so what do you guys think? It's not super shiny. Like, you know how synthetic wigs have like a natural shine to it? Like, this has a shine, but it's like a natural shine. Like, it's really not that bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the length. Like, it's literally like touching my like my tailbone, so it's really, really long. But I'm gonna go ahead and like cut off this lace and then try to lay the lace. I don't think it really needs to be laid because it seems pretty glueless to me, but I'm just gonna go ahead and lay it anyways just to be sure. And then I'm gonna lay the edges as well. So also, you guys, I forgot to mention that this wig does not have a smell. Like, usually wigs have like a wiggy, plasticky, well, synthetic wigs at least will have like a, you know, plasticky smell to it. This one doesn't have that, and so sorry, I was just walking upstairs, that's why I'm out of breath. But yeah, to be honest, I would probably wash this like with conditioner and apple cider vinegar before I put it on my head, but for the sake of the video and because I'm lazy, I'm just gonna put it on my head. Like, I'm not even gonna wash it first, but when I take it off, I'll probably wash it. So we're gonna start by cutting this lace, and I'm not gonna cut like right where the hairline starts. I'm gonna probably leave like a centimeter of hair in between like the lace and the hairline. So, and I think you should do this on like a wig head. Like you should have your wig propped up on something. I think it's easiest if you do it that way, but I don't have one of those, so I really just do it by hand. But I should definitely invest in one of those. Okay, so I cut off about this much lace, and now I'm going to try to start gluing it down. Oh, also I'm going to cut these combs off because they really irritate my head. So let me show you how I do that. So you can't just like yank them out because you will kind of like yank out like the tracks of the actual hair. So you have to like really strategically take this comb out. And it is kind of hard. But there's like stitching where they stitch the comb onto the wig, and that's what I cut. Okay, and then once you cut that stitching off, you could just lift the comb out. You can literally just like lift the comb out, and boom, one comb is gone. And now I'm just gonna do this to the two other ones. So the lace is cut and the combs are all cut out. And then when you lay down your wig cap, you could always do that the wig cap, the ball cap method, which is like they use this freeze spray and they kind of just glue the cap down. But when I do that, I lose my edges. So I really don't do that method. I just kind of glue it down like the old school way. Okay. So first, I'm going to be using this styling glue, and I'm going to use this as wig glue basically. I'm just going to use a tiny bit and put like a tiny line. I really don't know how to do this. If anyone knows how to lay wigs, please let me know, because I'm really still practicing. I basically just put this all over my hairline. Well, not my hairline, but like, you know, the edge of the wig. I mean the wig cap. And then I'm going to do one layer. I should have really did this like before I did my makeup. I usually do it before I do my makeup, but since I was coming on camera, I wanted to look all pretty and cute. But yeah, do this before you do your makeup. So this blow dryer is on the lowest setting, and I'm just using it to make sure this hair gets, like this glue gets tacky enough. And like I said before, you guys, there's really no need to actually lay this wig down. Like, it is very sturdy. I would categorize it as like a glueless wig. But I'm just gonna lay it down anyways, like for the sake of this video. My head is so big. Jesus Christ. Okay. And I'm just pulling it down so the lace fits on that glue. Okay. My hairline might be a little too low. I think my hairline is too low, you guys. I'm going to be using this to lay them. Okay. Okay, this hair is really, really tingly. It's so tingly and I'm getting really annoyed. What do you guys think so far? I don't know. So the last step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of my foundation onto this brush. Well, this isn't foundation, this is like a concealer. And I'm just going to put it in this parting space. I'm gonna brush it down. And then the final thing I'm gonna do is just put some setting mousse. And I'm just gonna put this to make this a little bit more flatter. Okay. How do you guys think this color looks on me? I think it looks really pretty. Okay, this is really long, so I'm just gonna go into the bathroom so you guys could get a better frame of how this actually looks on me. Okay guys, so I'm in my bathroom and this is how my hair is looking. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments. Like this video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. So peace and love, and I'll see you guys in my next video.